Did you know that 82% of small businesses fail due to poor cash flow management? It's true, keeping your finances in check can be the difference between thriving and barely surviving. But here is the good news: with the right accounting software, managing your books becomes simpler, smarter, and stress-free. In this video, we will explore 5 of the best tools that can change how you handle your business finances, no matter your industry or skill level. Let's start with the powerhouse QuickBooks Online. Trusted by millions, it's like the Swiss Army knife of accounting software. Perfect for small businesses that need flexibility and depth. QuickBooks makes tracking income, expenses, and tax deductions effortless. One standout feature: automated invoicing and payment reminders. The outstanding feature of QuickBooks is its automated invoicing and payment reminders. Imagine never having to chase late payments again. It's especially great for businesses with fluctuating cash flow like freelancers or seasonal stores, and with its robust apps integration, QuickBooks connects seamlessly with the tools like PayPal and Shopify. You can start as low as $9 a month and the free trial is available. Next up is Xero. This software shines in team collaboration. One feature that every small business would love is the real-time bank feeds. It imports your transactions automatically, so you're always up to date without manual entries. For retail businesses juggling inventory, Xero's tracking tools keep stock levels in check while also syncing sales data. It's fantastic fit for growing businesses aiming to stay organized. For freelancers and service-based businesses, FreshBook is a fan favorite. Why? Because it turns invoicing into an art form. FreshBook lets you create professional looking invoices in minutes. And here's the best part. You can see when your clients view your invoices. So no more "I don't see it" excuses. If you bill clients by hours, FreshBook has a built-in time tracker that links directly to your invoices. At number 4, we have Wave. It's the go-to choice for businesses on tight budget because it's free. I'm not kidding. The starter plan is free. You can see the details here. I'm not covering that up. Wave covers the essentials: expense tracking, invoicing, and receipt scanning. It's ideal for solo persons or very small teams looking for value without compromise. The catch: it's not as feature packed as QuickBooks or Xero, but for startups, it's fantastic stepping stone to better financial management. And at number 5, we have Zoho Books, part of the Zoho suite. It's perfect for tech-savvy businesses looking for all-in-one solution. Zoho Books stands out with its advanced automation features. For example, it can automatically categorize expenses or send recurring invoices, saving you hours every month. And if you deal with the international clients, Zoho's multi-currency support and tax calculations are a major plus. So in summary, I can say that the QuickBooks is specialized for flexibility, Xero is for collaboration, FreshBooks for invoicing, and Wave for cost effectiveness, or Zoho Books for all-in-one power. So which one is your favorite? Do let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.